how to use Proton Authenticator. Now, using Proton Authenticator is just like using any other authenticator apps as well, because the main function is the same, where you add merchants, apps and services for authentication as long as you have the authenticator app secured with you. As well, when you open the app, this is the interface you will see. If you want to import your codes from previous authenticators, you can tap on it. You can select one of your previous services where you used to authenticate with, and you can import them from there. Or you can create a new code where you can scan the QR code provided by your merchant, or you can enter the codes manually, type in the secret code, the issuer, as well as the title, whatever is necessary for you. Once you've added the codes, whenever that particular service asks for verification, a code will be displayed here, which you can simply enter. If you tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, you can choose to back up your codes, but this is local backup. It will not back up to cloud like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. It will back up within cloud, and you can also choose to sync between devices. You can turn on app log, hide the codes for privacy, change the appearance, the search bar position, digit style, and all of the other options as such. But to give you an idea, this is how you can use Proton Authenticator. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.